Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I'm Satakshi and I'm your English faculty at iExamB, and in this video we will discuss the syllabus and strategy for UIICL Assistant examination. So friends, as you all know, UIICL has issued a notification for recruitment of assistants, and this recruitment is for 300 posts. And friends, there is no interview here. There is only one stage of the examination. So if you are a graduate and looking for a job, this is the right opportunity for you. If you think that you want to become an officer, a PO, then also I would suggest that you at least fill this form, apply this year, and then maybe, while you are working, while you already have a job, you will be in a position to take more risks and try for better jobs as well. You will always have that opportunity in hand. Do not miss this one, which has come right now after 2017. This is the first time in so many years that UIICL has come out with this notification. So please friends, do not miss this opportunity. Now, as I already said, that the exam pattern in 2017 was something different. Actually, we had prelims and mains, 2 stages at that time, but this time we only have 1 stage, and also there is a cumulative time of 120 minutes. That is, if you take, if English language, if you're good in English and you can finish these questions in just say 10 minutes, then that time you can use to, solve the questions of the other sections which you find difficult and time taking, right? So this is a very, very good opportunity for those who take less time in one particular subject, but then want more time in some other subject maybe, right? So you can use this as per your ability. And now friends, moving on to the syllabus, let us talk about reasoning first. In reasoning, all the common topics: coding, decoding, blood relations, series, order, ranking, direction, seating arrangement, puzzles, syllogs, and in 2017 very basic syllogs questions were asked. Here this time also you can expect the pattern to be, or the types of questions, almost the same, but then we at iExamB actually teach one notch higher also, so that everything is covered. You are just not surprised at the time of the exam, right? Input output also is important. Data sufficiency, inequalities, analogy, decision making, and statement and course of action. So these kind of questions require a lot of thinking, so make sure that you give enough time for practice of such questions, right? Now moving on to test of English language. Firstly, your rules of grammar, particularly your subject verb agreement should be in place. Then parts of speech, articles, idioms, phrasal verbs, vocabulary, reading comprehension, clause, fillers, para-jumbles, coherent paragraph, word exchange, very common, and this is highly expected. Then match the columns, error spotting, and sentence correction or improvement, right? Then moving on to quant or numerical ability. Now here, data interpretation, simplification, approximation, number series, quadratic equation, then quantity based problem sum, ratio proportion, and percentage and average, profit loss, simple interest, compound interest, time, work and wage, time and distance, permutation, combination, and probability as well. Mixtures and allegations, pipes and cisterns, boats and streams are important, right? Moving on to general knowledge or general awareness. You must have knowledge of banking, insurance, and financial awareness. The basic banking or insurance terms like financial inclusion and etc. you should be clear about, right? Then all the current affairs, especially pertaining to these areas, and also the G20 summit will be important. Then your COP28 will be important. All these summits are also very important. Then some bit of history, culture, politics, awards and recognition for this year, and also this is the part of your static GK. This is also important. Some questions from static GK are also asked, right? Geography, general science, some bit of sports as well is important, right? So make sure that you study all these areas. Now moving on to computer knowledge, you must know about the fundamentals of computers, Windows, and also about in Windows you can also know about Office, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and then you should know the shortcut keys, abbreviations, types of computers, of hardware and software, how the movement of information happens from the buses, and all these things you should know. You should know about the internet, input and output devices, also the peripherals, computer viruses, and several kinds of attacks are very important, right? So all these things are very important from computer knowledge point of view. You should also know about the security of the websites, right? Components of a computer, and some important computer related terms like RAM, ROM, and terms like these, right? DBMS, that what do you understand by, the basics of DBMS. You don't have to go too much into it, but only the basics, like what do you understand by inheritance and things like these. So now friends, you would be thinking, what should be the immediate strategy? What should I do right now? Firstly, apply for this post, right? This is very obvious, but we may be ambivalent right now. Should I fill the form or not? Whether insurance jobs are good or not? I want to become a PO. Why should I apply for assistant? If you are a graduate with no job in hand, then definitely apply for this post right now. You can think about later things as the things progress, but right now apply for this post. So friends, let me tell you, I can say this with certainty that insurance jobs are way better than banking jobs, because I can say this with my personal experience, because I have two family members, one in the insurance sector, the other in the banking sector. The banking sector individual does not want to continue with the job, and the one in the insurance sector is happily employed and he's really happy with his current job, right? So I would suggest that first apply, and then you will always have an option to leave it later on, right? But apply for this post right now. Okay, now friends, if you have any doubts regarding your application process, eligibility, or work profile, the exam syllabus, pattern, anything, you can attend this free workshop by Karan sir, our quant expert, and I myself, Satakshi, English expert from iExamB, will help you clear all your doubts. This workshop is for absolutely free, and you can attend it on 20th of December, Wednesday at 7 p.m. in the evening. The registration link is in the description box, right? Now friends, as I said, you have to apply for this post. Read newspaper every day. Skip the political news, conflict related news, all these things, just skip it. Just kind of absorb what you are reading. Enjoy reading newspaper. For all the important updates which you should learn, we have Bpedia, our free document, which you can download from our website, and there you can get weekly, monthly updates regarding what all is happening around us, right? So you don't need to read the entire newspaper, just read to enjoy it, to actually absorb what all is there. And also this will help you have a good reading process, which is required throughout the examination, right? Throughout those 2 hours you'll have to do a lot of reading, so you will be in a habit of reading. And secondly, this will also improve your vocabulary, right? So newspaper reading is very important from general awareness as well as English point of view, right? Now moving ahead, as I said, we have Bpedia for general awareness. Download it from our website, and more time you spend on our website, you will earn some important coins which you can use to give mock test, right? So you have to appear for those mock tests also. They are free. You just have to spend some time on our website, right? Make a schedule and stick to it. It is very important. And do not give time to your schedule, right? Don't say I will study for 2 hours English, I will study for 2 hours quants. No, not like this. Make a schedule like I have to study this topic today, and then I have to study topic X in quants, topic Y in maybe computers. Like this you have to make your entire schedule. Don't look at the clock while you're studying, right? And then as I already said, practice mocks at iExamB. Very important, because practicing mocks helps you get into the correct frame of mind, and then at the time of the main exam you are just not lost, or there's no surprise element for you. You know what are the colors when you have highlighted your answer, when you've marked it correct, you have left it, or you have marked it for review. So all these things you should know before the exam also. It will help you and it will make you quicker at the time of the exam, right? This is all for the video, friends. Please subscribe to our channel if you already have not. If you like this video, if you found it informative, please press the like button, and also you can download the entire syllabus from the description box, right? So take a printout of the syllabus, then you can just tick whatever you have completed. If you have any doubts, you can always ring us at this number given on the screen, or write us to hello@iexambee.com.